epsilon 0 E square, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space and capital E is the electric field. So we have to find what is the dimension of half epsilon 0 E square. നമുക്ക് പലതരത്തിൽ ഇതിനെ അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Already you know what you mean by half epsilon 0 E square. So that is nothing but the energy density. That is the energy density associated with the electric field, especially in the case of capacitance. So, but you know the energy density is equivalent to pressure actually. പക്ഷേ നമുക്കറിയാം എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി മീനിങ് ഈസ് വാട്ട് ദ എനർജി പെർ യൂണിറ്റ് വോളിയം. Energy is what? So you know the dimension as ml square t raised to minus 2 by volume as L cube. So we get the answer.